guys, I wanted to talk to you about your group work. So this time under Wednesday, you will see semester groups. You click on it and you click on your group. Yours will be maybe a little different than mine. You'll go to the group discussion board. You will find the form Generation Z Love. You're going to open it. And that's when you're going to create a new thread. And if we go back, it says Generation Z has been called the hookup generation. Do you agree? Why or why not? So I am going to click on this and open it. And then I'm going to create a new thread. And I'm going to call this disagree. Okay, and maybe you're going to be a little bit more in depth than I am. Okay, and then I'm going to click submit. And then let's say I'm going to respond to my classmate. I'm going to click reply, and I'm going to say, okay, whatever you want to say, it doesn't matter, as long as just being thoughtful. So I think that explains group work in a nutshell. I hope that helps. Thanks.